Montane County in north-central Texas, Northern Lines County in north-central Texas, Western Cook County in north-central Texas, until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:23 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was 5 miles northwest of Boise, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Strong outflow winds are well ahead of this line of thunderstorms. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bridgeport, Bowie, Nakoma, Munster, Alvord, St. Joe, Chico, Sunset, Stoneburg, Forestburg, Runaway Bay, and Lake Bridgeport. Wind damage with this storm will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy